spray in the car? Isn't it in the door? Hey, yo! See that? Nobody can have my mama. Nobody but me. Want that?
Oh, you mean the big?
Oh, it's spilled. Hoof supplement. Well, I'm not going to let him eat. Well, I guess he could eat it. I guess they eat dirt besides.
And dry corn on the side. Where did the smoke go? Oh, look at that. Look at there. There's a whole bunch of people. Goodness sakes, he takes up the whole highway. We'll see it here. Oh, yeah.
What's that sign?
The road's different.
Welcome to Iowa.
There it is. Iowa City.
Thank you.
Sioux City.
Continue straight to stay on 6th Street. In 1,000 feet, turn right onto 3rd Street.
We're staying at the Hard Rock Casino.
I know.
Your destination is on the right.
I didn't hear the casino part.
Yeah, there you go. That's it.
Ah, there it is. We are. First stop. I have to get a picture of these pillows. See, look. Yeah, that's fine. Look at the pillows. Who's this little guy? Oh, cool. I like that. Go downstairs and spend your money. What's outside? Freeway.
Well, nice and quiet.
Wonder if these windows are triple pane or something. I like it when they take those old buildings
Yeah.
and repurpose them. I thought it was apartment building. That's not the same.
Guitar.
Well, go on the road, then you'll see it.
The Wesley Parkway.
No, I don't want to do that. I want to find that.
Turrets. Are they turrets?
Take the next left onto 13th Street.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm wondering what on earth is wrong with you.
In 600 feet, turn left onto Pierce Street.
Vaquero Imports.
Oh, cool. My goodness. Orpheum.
The perfume.
Your destination is on the right. To Nebraska.
Oh, I think I caught part of that.
Nebraska. There we are.
So that's 7th.
I thought we were going to crest the top of the hill and then come down. Oh, my phone is ringing. Yeah, well, sometimes Google tells you to go places you wouldn't normally pick. It's not like we're out in the desert.
Right.
I got a big bug splat in the middle of the windshield, too.
Yeah. Looks a little like Montana.
Rolling hills back there, yeah, I know.
Wow. What did we get this time?
Your favorite color?
Yikes. Big though. Look at this. We got a desk. Orange. But look at that. A big old couch and 2 chairs. We could have company. And a table and chairs here. Scouts Rest Ranch. Okay, well, we gotta check out
What's
here.
in there?
Boy, it's pretty dark. Thanks. There's even a table in here. Where's the toilet?
The other bathroom.
I missed that one. Mirror. And lots of toilets. Oh my goodness. Boy, that was scary there for a minute.
So this is what we missed before. Here's the... So what's in the corner of this one? Another TV. Oh, guess what?
What?
That's where the remote is.
What day is this? What day is this anyway?
Oh, Monday.
Monday.
Let's get out of town.
The 20th, right?
Yep.
Okay. Of September. No, my phone. Oh, come on. Well, you see everything on the highway. Oh, you know what? There, that's why it looks like he's backing up.
It is backing up.
All right. And he's working at it too. All right. Pretty pleasant out here though, except for the wind.
Yeah.
Kimball, High Point. Oh, look at this cute little town here. See?
Yeah.
There's a Wyoming. Yay. Oh, sure. It's a coffee pot. Like Lindstrom, Minnesota. Orange.
Boy, I keep thinking to see cars when they're not.
Is that a microwave? There it is. It's not exactly like Devil's Tower, that's for sure, but you know.
Oh, man.
And we have a very windy, chilly day. Oh my goodness. First gravel road we've been on, but I did kind of get it. So what are we heading for here? Radom.
Self-service pay station.
To actually turn around. Warning, warning. Oh, this is gorgeous. Let me look here. Whoa, slow down. See that? It's snow.
Yeah.
Gate. Oh, there's the snow. Crack in the road. That was the rest area, wasn't it?
Well, I don't know. I'm looking for the blue sky.
Okay, this is a downhill slide.
So there was the highest point on I-80.
Oh.
8,600 feet, I think.
Of course, I love the cliffs. So it looks like we're going to be in a big valley here. Historic downtown. There's a cowboy bar. Cowboy Gold and Silver Exchange. Well, I guess that's pretty much it. See, Harney Street is... Butch Cassidy. His parents. Cute little church. There we go. I don't know what that hole in the wall is over there. I see they have their bridles hanging up on the bedstead.
Well,
Nothing in there. Stagecoach. Is this the saloon? It looks like it.
I see.
Or a
No, 'cause
store.
the bar would be higher and there'd be a rail.
And maybe it's the